Hi everyone, I would like to introduce to you the new UMOVIE BL-41 Wi-Fi projector. Comes with built-in Wi-Fi mirroring, Bluetooth, and all in full HD 1920 by 1080 native resolution. It's super convenient, super versatile, and easy to use. Let's check out what's in the box. Ooh, nice carrying case and lightweight too. We have our HDMI cable, power cable, AV cable. This must be the remote control, nice and slim. And the user manual in, let's see what language, English, Dutch, French, and Italian. And then of course, the UMOVIE BL-41 projector. So this UMOVIE BL-41 projector, it's a nice size. It has a nice lens cap here. You take the lens cap off, put it back on, it's gonna protect your lens. No scratching it, nothing at all. So let's check out the ports that are on this thing. So we have the AV power source input here. We have our VGA input here. On the side, we have a USB input, standard USB, HDMI 1 and HDMI 2, so 2 total HDMI ports. We have an AV port and an SD memory card slot. As well as having all of the ports, the UMOVIE BL-41 is compatible with TV stick, iOS, and Android. It has amazing, incredible image quality with a native resolution of 1920 by 1080 and also supports resolutions of 2K, 1080p, 720p, 576i, 480p, and 480i. It has high contrast of a 10,000 to 1. With a recommended display of 50 to 170 inches. UMOVIE is a company specializing in high-quality Wi-Fi projectors. If you're in the market to buy a Wi-Fi projector, the BL-41 is the one for you. It's going to give you the best viewing experience.